I wanted to let you know, like many of the Oregon pioneers and many of you, I was born somewhere else, and I came here by choice. I was raised in California, went to high school and college in California, came to Oregon to go to law school. Attended Willamette University, and like many of you and many of the Oregon pioneers, I fell in love with Josephine County. I love this place. I love the rivers. I love the trees. I don't worship the trees. I wish we were cutting more of them. But this place is home. It's where my children were raised. All three of my kids went to North Valley High School and graduated from there. So I feel a connection, obviously, to this place. I didn't come to Josephine County for low taxes, and I didn't come for a job. I had a job. I was an assistant attorney general in the Oregon Department of Justice, and my peers and my performance evaluations would testify that I was good at my job. What we're doing tonight, I hope, is to talk about the distance or differences that the candidates, my opponent and myself, have about the view of what is the responsibility of Josephine County Legal Counsel. How do we do that job? Who does that job, or who can do that job best? So I'm looking forward to the discussion tonight, and thank you again for coming out. Well, it's hard to compress 30 years of legal experience into 2 minutes. What I've done and why I think that people should reelect me. It's public record, the kind of cases that Mr. Hicks has handled since he's been out of the DA's office. And there's less than 20 over the last 3 years. Now, let me make sure you understand, there's a lot of cases that don't end up in court. But Mr. Hicks has much more experience than me in the divorce work. Counties don't get divorced very often. But he's got a lot of experience in that. The only case that I could find where Mr. Hicks represented a local government or was involved in a case with the local government was when, on behalf of Larry Lacey, he sued the city of Grants Pass. So I don't know what other kind of local government experience Wally has, and I'm glad you got an A+. But that's not the same as handling local government cases involving millions of dollars of claims against our county. I just would say, I think if you want experience, the choice is simple. If you want an attorney who will tell you, I'm going to represent the people, well, who do you represent when the people sue the county? In my book, you have to represent the majority of the governing board of the county. And you say, that's my client. There's a formal ethics opinion by the Oregon State Bar that says it's this thing called Josephine County. It includes the people, it includes the elected officials, it includes all the managers and agents of the county, but you don't represent any one of them as an individual. I've gotten to the point now where I expect it's kind of comical when, to me it's comical. It's not comical to the commissioners when they first walk in after they've been elected and they say, hey, I've been told at a seminar that you don't represent me personally. And I said, you're right, I do not. I think I represent the government, and I hope to continue to do so. I'm asking for your vote.